Yeah.
and Agustin was kind of slowing down, and I was almost like cheering for him, like, let's go, bro, that's amazing,
Yeah.
please. And I didn't qualify, and it was the most peaceful moment that I ever have in my life. For the amount of stuff that I was going through, I was very like exhausted a little bit, but I was still was on the plan. I was going for it. Got to the semifinals. Back in Brazil, all good, all beautiful. My whole family was there. Lou's parents, my grandma, everyone, my friends, because it was my home city. So everyone was there. It was very special. First event I took, I was doing a detox of caffeine of 1 week. On that day, I took caffeine, and as I am a slow metabolizer of caffeine, I think that the caffeine hit very hard, and I just in the first event I just fell off. I did the bike. It was bike, sled, run, sled, and ski sled.
Hold on a second. You're saying, whoa. You're saying the week before semifinals, you quit caffeine so that maybe you could use it to help you.
Yeah,
Holy, that's bold. Whose
yeah.
idea was
So
that? Was that your idea?
yes, my idea.
Bold.
So
That's
no one,
bold.
no one knows that, but
That's
that was
bold.
yeah,
Wow. And so you're saying it was too much. You had a fucking crazy spiked heartbeat and breathing patterns and you went to bed?
yes, yes. So before the
Did you
workout,
know during the event, Guy, were you like, oh, I'm not managing this caffeine well?
bro, I just figured that after, way after the competition, way after the competition.
Okay.
But let's go. So
Okay.
on the first event, I just fell off.
15th. You took 15th. You took
Yes,
15th. Yeah.
I did very bad in that workout. I just fell off after the bike. I just died and I couldn't recover. And I was just like slow. So after that, I was like, okay, screw it. Second event, one. Third event, second. Second? First?
Yeah.
No,
Second.
wait.
Second.
Okay, yeah, second. Fourth event, first. The third event was Linda.
Yeah.
I tested twice at the gym here.
Yeah.
I finished in 22 minutes. And at the semifinals, I got second.
That's
That was
crazy. Good job.
that was
So that
huge.
was a huge PR. Huge PR.
Yeah, huge. So got second, fourth event first, then the run and snatch six, workout six, first. Yes. So I had a great competition.
Great competition. You just can't get a 15th in South America. It's the field's
Yeah,
not deep enough.
because I was getting first, and the first and the second were getting like second and third, and we
Yeah.
were just like changing podiums finishes, you know. So we didn't have anyone putting points between us. So that was it.
Guy,
So
is that weird? I'm guessing, I haven't done the math, but I'm guessing just that you have more Instagram followers than the entire rest of the field combined. I'm guessing if we added all 30 guys up, that you have more followers than them. Does that make, like, for us, I'm not, for us it's weird that you're not at the games.
mhm.
Now, I know you don't have a lot of places. There's only two people. I know it's a situation, but for us in the United States, it was like, what the, what, like we still don't know what happened.
Mhm.
You look at the leaderboard and it's obvious. There's no one to help you mix. There's no one to help you.
No one. So
Yeah, there's no one to help you.
in the fifth event, I finished my workout, and I was sitting on the finish platform to wait for Augustin to finish the workout, in at least in third, because Kalian was in second, or he was in second, and I was in third, and I had to Augustin to finish before him to get me some points between.
Yeah.
And Augustin was kind of slowing down, and I was almost like cheering for him, like, let's go, bro, that's
Yeah.
amazing, please. And I was like, bro, let's go. But he finished before Kalian, but it didn't help very much. So yeah, finished the competition. Last event, I lay on the platform, not qualifying for the games, and I was just like, thank God, I can rest now because I was mentally exhausted, and also my body was kind of messed up, but like mentally I was exhausted. So me and my wife, she was like, that was a God thing. So my goal for that competition was to win the competition, of course, and on the podium, share that this testimony that I'm sharing right now, share that testimony with people, to tell people that, bro, stop worrying about results, money, your work, everything that you guys think that's important. It's not important. Like, praise God, live your life happy and stop worrying about things that are not important. Then breathing, then loving each other, and having, like, some people have like some fights with each other and they don't like each other. Like, bro, why? You're friends. If you one dies, the other one is gonna cry. And like the amount of time that you guys spend without talking to each other, you could like be enjoying each other and like being like grateful for the time that you spend together. So like, yeah, I was planning to give that testimony in first place. It didn't happen. So I was like, okay, let's do either way. So I got the mic and I shared my testimony a little bit, even being in third. And people heard and people were like thankful for that and everything. My family was happy. I was feeling peace. It was the most peaceful moment feel that I ever felt in my life. Not qualifying for the games, and in front of my home city, all my friends, my whole family, Brazil, the whole Brazil, the whole country watching, and I didn't qualify, and it was the most peaceful moment that I ever have in my life because I knew that it didn't define me as a person, and that wouldn't define me as an athlete or as everything because I did all that I could to get the first place. I just had one bad event. The other ones I won. I did very good, but that was it. Like, no big deal. Yes, I have some contracts that I have some like reduced on the payments because I didn't qualify to games. But like, bro, that's gonna come back. It doesn't define you. Money is money. Like, it's all good. So I felt peace. I felt happiness again, and I was in peace because I wasn't about to go to games training again, to that pressure, to that thing, because I wasn't mentally ready for that again.